EDA RFID Smart Capital Lock Model 1080M. Cut time MyFire 1K 13.56 mHz. Operation. First, put 4 pieces AAA batteries inside of position. Second, connect the two lock body with a cable. Put in right position. Make sure the black plastic part close to the lock body during operation. Let's get outside. Find a small tools. Hold to press the reset up button for 2 seconds, which is small plastic part inside of the hole. Blue light on, music on. Let's get out inside and get outside again. Done. Get the first key. Sweep to the lock. After 4 beeps. Done. The first key becomes to the owner key. Sweep the owner key again after 1 beep. Sweep the second new key after 1 beep. Blue light off. Done. The second key becomes to the master key. Sweep the master key again. After 1 beep blue light flashing, sweep the third key after 1 beep down. The third key becomes to the user key. Now the lock is ready for use. The customer key come and get the user key to open the lock. Put the stuffs inside and close the door. Not locked. The customer take his user key away for fun and bring his user key back to the locker after fun. Use his user key to open the lock. Get his stuffs outside and close the locker again and put his user key back. If someone wants to open the lock with an illegal key, lock will not open. A new customer can use user key to open the lock. Put his stuffs inside and close the locker locked. And he left with his user key for fun. But he lost his user key. So he asked for the customer manager who has a master key. The manager used master key to sweep the lock after 1 beep. During flashing, make a new user key for him. After 1 beep done, this new user key can open the lock. Get his stuffs outside and close the locker. Lock locked. This key becomes the new user key. If someone found the lost user key, which used before, and he wants to open the locker, this key becomes an illegal key. Done. Thanks.